And welcome everybody. Welcome everybody on this live stream. Happy Tuesday, by the way. And let's see where we're going on the market. So, I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. Last live stream yesterday, we was traded in this range of $55,000, and you can see over here that the market is just pushed through the resistance line from 55,800. And right now we at 57,300 ish. So, well, it was quite a move. Let me know if you managed to catch this one. I managed to catch this one. That is interesting to see. You guys managed to trade this long. And yesterday we talked about if the Bitcoin is going to close above $56,000, and it actually happened. So this is amazing, and congratulations to everybody who was on a bull side yesterday. And let's see where we at right now. So we in this top range of 57,300 right now. The previous high sat at 58,140. So this is our range, and from yesterday we kind of see that um, we broke through this trend line, which is actually really good, and we reached 0618 Fibonacci retracement level, which we talked about yesterday as well. So you know if you kind of catch this one. This is really a really amazing opportunity. So let's see where we're going to go today. From what I checked on the market in the last couple of minutes, we was in this type of triangle. We kind of broke through the upside. Just a small move to about 200 buck move to the upside. Nothing too crazy, nothing too major right now. And we are still, there is a potential move to the upside, but let's see how it goes. And by the way, guys, today we don't have any major news or economic activity, but tomorrow it's going to be CPI Wednesday. So I'm pretty sure that tomorrow is probably going to be a really, really hot day, trading day, right? So let's focus on that and prepare before tomorrow. Um, let's jump on the higher time frames and see where we at. So yesterday we discussed this some kind of hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. We kind of have lower low on the closing prices. However, we have a higher low on the extremums. So that's kind of positive signal for now. Um, will we go in sideways? Well, it seems like yes, because we got this resistance line over here, which I would say it projects price up to $60,000. So there is a room for actually going there. I'm not sure if it's gonna be in one single shot, but there is a possibility that we're gonna have some volatility, and especially tomorrow, and then possible 61 there. From there, we could reject, we can break out. I would not be surprised by any of this. We could have a fake out as well. So we're gonna stay. This for me, I'm gonna stay in more in conservative side over here, and yeah. So this is daily time frame, and this is the basic resistance all over daily. And actually, if we put some lines together as well, you're gonna see that we creating some type of triangle in which we could go in both directions. We could jump from support line of the triangle, or we can bounce back from resistance, and it actually could be many times before any price action move to the upside or to the downside. So overall, this is sideways. We kind of still bouncing in this sideways. Really hard to trade. Um, I know some of you guys making good progress on this one, and yeah, for me, it's kind of um a little bit of struggle to pick up some good trades inside the range like this. But yeah, um, S&P. Let's take a look. So S&P yesterday reached VWAP and bounced it off to the upside really hard, broke through a resistance line as well as BTC does. So it's kind of it's kind of interesting to see if it's actually go to move to the upside. That type of price action. So right now I'm looking for some price action over here, but that's quite an it's quite a busy area. There is a lot of levels like 5486 and 5499, basically 55,000, 5500. So we're kind of rejecting from this area, but oh, we could break. We could actually break. So let's see. And somehow stopped. That doesn't move too much right now. Um, this really short term frame. You can see we're kind of building up some shapes. And here, let's switch over to 50-minute time frame as well. So, so we kind of breaking out through this resistance, and it coincidence with this triangle right here. So, if we can clear 57,400, that would probably do the price to 57, 600, 800. That's possible. So let's see. So S&P, you can see over here, kind of in this range. From this range, we can actually sell or we can buy if we're gonna have some breakout. And from the range, we could take some trade. Um, I like personally think that it's gonna break to the upside. That is possible, but there is a chance that it's gonna move to the upside and to the downside as well, and then go to the upside. So, um, let's check how other coins are doing. So, Dogecoin is kind of recovered a little. It's kind of recovered over here. Solana. So last time we checked it, we was at 140, and right now we are coming back to 140 area with a retest, and we see that there is a buildup of resistance over here at 140. So pretty similar to what we draw on Bitcoin on the daily time frame. So it's pretty similar to that, and I think the market is gonna go in the same direction. like Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin go up in this area, we're gonna see altcoins going up to in pretty much similar fashion. So having some kind of breakout right here. Let's get small buy over here. I want to put stop loss below this range. So almost 54.99. It's my target right now. Let's see if we can add to this position. There's a possibility. So meanwhile, Bitcoin is doing nothing. But yeah, S&P is pushing a little bit. Yep, it's pushing more. There is a possibility that we're gonna have some rejection over here because we had 54.90. Um, there could be a move to the downside from here. Let's see if we can actually push to the 54.99s. It's quite far away, but yeah, it is. There is a possibility. Let's keep on Bitcoin as well. Don't move too much. Guys, how do you feel about the market? What do you think about it? Let me know in chat. It's interesting to see what you guys think. S&P, Bitcoin, maybe other coins as well. What you guys think? What we can see today on the altcoins market? Like for example, on Solana, we it's kind of low liquidity over here. Maybe let's go um, to perpetuals here. A little bit better, but too much same. So Solana 135 resistance. Hmm. So we kind of in this range 134, 135, 34 right here. So it depends on Bitcoin where it's gonna go. For me personally, I don't really think we're gonna see some fast price action right now, but let's wait on this one. To be honest with you guys, I'm really feeling a little bit sick today. I have this kind of high temperature today, and so yeah, not that good feeling for today. Let's see. Bitcoin is trying to push over here. It's trying to push through 400s. I think we can try. We can try a small long. I'm not going to go all over the place. I'm gonna change. Oh my god, it's fast. It's fast. Pushing to the upside over here. Let's put stop loss a little bit below, maybe minus 40. like this. Yep, and we bought this fake out. Let's see. S&P pushing to the upside a little bit. It's just like sometimes I'm thinking like, okay, Bitcoin is just a little bit different, and we have to wait for supports, maybe. Nope. Looks like a small short squeeze to the downside from here, but I don't know. Maybe it can hold. Maybe not. S&P is really slow today. It was kind of quite interesting in pre-market phase. In about like an hour ago, it was quite interesting because we breaking out from this resistance. We could retest it, and then so we just pop in from opening range, and yeah, so Bitcoin is hit my stop loss right now. Yep. This is what happens when you force the trade, right? So you think, okay, it's got a breakout over here, but it's a Bitcoin. You have to wait a little bit more and wait more. So Bitcoin is decided to go to the downside from here. That is a little bit disappointing. Let's see if we're gonna have some any other opportunities. Um, Moving to the short side over here, but yeah, it's not really interesting price action today. Uh, yeah, sorry guys for a little bit off today because I'm really not feeling that good, to say at least. And yeah, just just feeling sick today, and I don't really feel good. Not feeling good. Let's take a look on this coin market cap. Let's see if something changed over the past hours. So got pretty much the same situation all over the places. Pretty much the same. You kind of get from yesterday taking profit area to right now to rebound area on most of the coins and tokens as well. So this is where we at. I was I would look for this price action. Like if we're gonna break through this support line, it's gonna be a short side. Mm, I don't really know if the market is gonna go in this direction, but it seems like if we're gonna break through this support line, and that would mean that we go into the downside. So whatever can happen over here, a little bit of so we technically get the higher lows and higher highs in this zone, but our long trade didn't play out. Didn't play out. We kind of get in a short squeeze area. We get trapped on this short squeeze, and right now it's just doing really slow movements in the S&P as well. S&P is kind of consolidating over here and pushing too much, but yeah. Let's see if we can actually break um, through 5490s on S&P. That would be amazing. As for Bitcoin, I'm not really sure. Like this setup looks to me like a good long, but eventually it end up in the short squeeze. So right now, maybe maybe it's a good opportunity to take a long over here, but as well, like I said before, this trend line, if we're gonna break through this trend line, for me, it's a sell signal. At least it's gonna be like a sell signal for a move from 57 200 up down to 56 600, maybe 700 as well. So this is where I'm what I'm looking for, but not really sure for this trade. S&P, let's take a look at S&P. S&P a really slowly moving market, and it's usual, but right now we kind of slow even on when compared to some days. It's really slow. Price action really tight. Nothing crazy happening. So it's kind of on the weak side today. Looks like we're gonna have some breakout. Um, hourly candlestick gonna close in 5 seconds. Let's see if we can get some action. So we're kind of moving to the downside from here. Um, I don't know. Maybe I could try a small short just for trying. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be wrecked as well. Let's see. So we're kind of bouncing below this trend line, so which for me it's a sell signal. But what is actually for Bitcoin? It's a question. So So we're at 57,100 right now. Trying to break through 57s. That's gonna be big area to break. Let's see if we can add another one from this level. S&P moving little slowly. Creating this kind of range again. So we can have this range, and so there is a possibility to go to 54.95. Bitcoin is trying to push to through 57s, but really hard to do this. Breaking through 50s. Well, today is really boring price action, and for me, it's really hard to keep up with a good um, mood. uh, not fun for me right now. I'm gonna add a little bit more in this one, and I want to my stop loss over here. So let's see if I'm gonna trail this one. If we're gonna break through 57, and there is a high chance that we're gonna break lower right now. Yep. We could go a little bit lower. Yep, we break through 57s. Trail a little bit down. I don't really like to do this actually, but yeah, we got this trade. We got this trade. So finally, we got this trade. We plus uh about plus $50 on this one. Small trade. But I took small trade just simply because I was not sure about the market. We're still on S&P. Unfortunately, I couldn't trail it a little bit lower. I would really like to, but it is what it is. At least it's small profit, so it is something right now. So see, if we can actually break lower. So right now it's kind of retesting 57s, breakout from 57. You can see I tried to put a little bit more support line over here from this triangle. It seems like it finds its support on this move to the downside. So right now we could potentially go to retest this area, maybe 57. So let's see. S&P 500 moving in same fashion. I honestly want to add a little bit more to this one. It's relatively small position, and I also want to change stop loss over here. But let's see if we can break through this. That would be cool. Also want to break through trading range. So we tested 57s and go down more. 56,900. Like S&P is just basically not moving. Tomorrow we're gonna have the CPI Wednesday, which means let's see. What we can have for tomorrow. So today it was NFIB optimism index, so it seems like it doesn't move the prices. But tomorrow, Wednesday, we're gonna have CPI, and we're gonna have. Let me show you. I'm gonna pull up. I'm gonna pull up the image over here. Just a second. So we got this tomorrow. We're gonna have CPI Wednesday, consumer price index, and of course CPI as well. And in Thursday we're gonna have jobless claims, which is kind of also good, and PPI as well. So tomorrow and in Thursday we're gonna have some decent price action, I guess, and yeah, so stay tuned on this one. I honestly, I don't really have power to continue on this live stream today. I'm really, really sorry about that. I'm just feeling very bad. I got this. I don't know. Maybe it's a COVID or something. Maybe it's a flu. But yeah, I'm just not feeling good today. So I'm gonna. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna change my stop loss over here on S&P. Because I'm gonna. I actually want to go offline and I want to. I don't know. Maybe take a nap or some kind of sleep. Because I'm really feeling very bad and I'm sweating. Uh, Not because I'm like hot here, it's because I have a temperature. So my target is going to be the same. It's going to be 54.99.9. So I'm not going to increase position size because I don't want to trail this one. And we got good profits, small but good profits on the short scalp short on the Bitcoin. So yeah, guys. So I wish you profitable Tuesday and see you tomorrow in the same time. And I hope tomorrow I'm gonna feel better and we're gonna have amazing live stream with amazing trades. So stay tuned and goodbye.